Range. Noun. 1. A line or series of mountains, buildings, etc. 2. A fireplace, a fire or other cooking apparatus, now specifically, a large cooking stove with many hot plates. 3. Selection, array. 4. An area for practicing shooting at targets. 5. An area for military training or equipment testing. 6. The distance from a person or sensor to an object, target, emanation, or event. For example, we could see the ship at a range of 5 miles. 7. Maximum distance of capability of a weapon, radio, detector, fuel supply, etc. For example, this missile's range is 500 kilometers. 8. An area of open, often unfenced, grazing land. 9. Extent or space taken in by anything excursive, compass or extent of excursion, reach, scope. 10. Mathematics, the set of values, points, which a function can obtain. 11. Statistics, the length of the smallest interval which contains all the data in a sample, the difference between the largest and smallest observations in the sample. 12. Sports, baseball, the defensive area that a player can cover. For example, Jones has good range for a big man. 13. Music, the scale of all the tones a voice or an instrument can produce. 14. Ecology, the geographical area or zone where a species is normally naturally found. 15. Programming, a sequential list of iterators that are specified by a beginning and ending iterator. For example, std::: for each. 16. An aggregate of individuals in one rank or degree, an order, a class. 17. Obsolete, the step of a ladder, a rung. For example, can we find and add a quotation of Clarendon to this entry? 18. Obsolete, UK, dialect, a bolting sieve to sift meal. 19. A wandering or a roving, a going to and fro, an excursion, a ramble, an expedition. 20. U.S. Historical, in the public land system, a row or line of townships lying between two succession meridian lines 6 miles apart. 21. The scope of something, the extent which something covers or includes. Range. Verb. 1. Intransitive, to travel over, an area, etc. To roam, wander. 2. Transitive, to rove over or through. For example, to range the fields. 3. Obsolete, intransitive, to exercise the power of something over something else, to cause to submit to, over. 4. Transitive, to bring something into a specified position or relationship, especially of opposition with something else. 5. Intransitive, mathematics, computing, followed by over, of a variable, to be able to take any of the values in a specified range. For example, the variable x ranges over all real values from 0 to 10. 6. Transitive, to classify. For example, to range plants and animals in genera and species. 7. Intransitive, to form a line or row. For example, the front of a house ranges with the street. 8. Intransitive, to be placed in order, to be ranked, to admit of arrangement or classification, to rank. 9. Transitive, to set in a row, or in rows, to place in a regular line or lines, or in ranks, to dispose in the proper order. 10. Transitive, to place among others in a line, row, or order, as in the ranks of an army, usually, reflexively and figuratively, to espouse a cause, to join a party, etc. 11. Biology, to be native to, or live in, a certain district or region. For example, the pepper ranges from Texas to Paraguay. 12. To separate into parts, to sift. For example, can we find and add a quotation of Holland to this entry? 13. To sail or pass in a direction parallel to or near. For example, to range the coast,